Don't be that guy who can't park in their garage because it's just packed with boxes, tools, and out-of-date clothing. A garage is where you should park your vehicle, manage your supplies, and store bulky equipment. It shouldn't be a garbage dump or that catch-all that we all use it for. Now is a perfect time to start taking back that space. I'm Sean Ryan of the Blue Coast team, and I'm here today to bring you 6 tips for a more organized garage. So we should start by adding some storage towers or some storage cabinets. Plastic bins can be very helpful for storing sports gear, apparel, and toys. They're easy to stack on top of each other, but this can make it very difficult to get to that dreaded bottom box. Install towers that can be customized to fit each box perfectly, and on the sides, you can place narrow tools or supplies for extra organization. So, we've taken care of the bulky bins in your garage. Now we can install some wire shelving. Adding wire shelving gives you a clear view, easy access of all your items while taking up minimal space. You can organize things by need and dedicate a space for each of those family members. Corners are often very underutilized in garages, which is why it could be a smart place to add some shelving for storage. You'll find you could fit a surprising amount of items on a corner shelf while it stays conveniently out of the way. So now let's talk tools first. We have the option of buying a tool chest. These are really nicely designed for those with a ton of tools. These can be very essential to your garage storage. Otherwise, if a tool chest is too bulky, you can just hang those tools right on the wall. For shovels, try just hammering 2 nails in close proximity to each other on the wall. Place your shovel face down so that the widest part sits at the top of the nails. For some tools, you can even add a magnetic strip to your garage wall and place magnets attached on each of the handles of your tools. You can also hang items on the wall using hooks. You could screw hooks right into the wall of your garage, but if you want fewer drill holes, you can make use of a pegboard. Pegboards can be customized to your liking to fit tools like wrenches, hammers, screwdrivers, saws, levels, pliers, drills, wiring, and so much more. But you won't always need that immediate access to all your items. So some things will be best stored out of sight until the time or the season when you're going to be needing them. This is where installing those high cabinets can be very useful. Just like with the storage towers, high cabinets allow us to make use of that vertical space. Certain chemicals, they can be dangerous, especially to our curious children who don't really know any better. Storing them high keeps them organized and really helps keep the kids safe. There you go. That was 6 tips for a more organized garage. Thanks for watching. Remember, put Sean on your lawn.